You're so hungry.
Okay, let's do this. So you're gonna try one of my cookies. Down.
Isn't he cute? Isn't he cute?
Oh, do you want Anna? Is that what you're trying to do?
He's so cute. Let me see. Okay, ready? Oh, goodness. Oh, wait. Here. Get it in there. Swallow.
It's in your mouth. It's so stupid.
Fix it for him, Bruno.
He's
He's
good.
getting it.
Did he swallow it?
It's still in his mouth. There he goes. Is he still hungry?
I think
Another
so.
bowl?
He's get him another. Well, he hasn't eaten for probably. Aww. So hungry.
I think it ate it.
No, it's in his mouth. So you can see it. It's right there. Give it.
Tell me at home, can you see it?
Don't get so close. What are we gonna do with the poor thing? He's starving. What kind of bird is it? Make sure you get it in his mouth. I think that's too big. Oh,
Did it swallow it?
maybe we need to get it a bug.
No, it's eating it.
It's hanging out of your mouth, dog. Oh, this isn't the smartest bird ever. I want more food.
Swallow it, guy.
There, it's in your mouth. There you go, attaboy.
Oh, he ate it. Oh, get another one. Did you eat it all? Let me make sure you ate it all. This one's kind of a big guy, dude. Are you full? God, their throats are huge. Okay. Oh, he's had about, what, 7 worms? Ready, son? Okay, guy, wake up. Here you go. Swallow. Swallow it. You're so cute. Eat it first. Close your mouth. He won't close his mouth.
You're gonna make it fat.
There he goes. It's still sitting in his mouth. He's looking at me. Swallow him. There. They're still sitting there. Swallow. There he goes. Okay, you got 2 more. This one is little. That one's coming out of his throat. Okay, 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 swallow, swallow. There, he's happy. Oh, was that not the satisfied look? What are we gonna do with you, huh?
The yellow stuff is coming out of the worm. It's
You little guy. Swallow it.
yeah, I still don't see the nest. Is it really that high?
In his mouth. He swallowed. He's so cute. Why don't you guys switch places?
I got it.
Is it recording? You thirsty,
Well,
buddy?
you gotta tell him open up. You gotta tell him open up.
Here.
There you go.
Oh, goodness.
We can make a
Wait,
water
let him
bottle
swallow
commercial.
it.
Tell him open up.
Open up. Hey.
Open it. Wait. Little. There you go.
Okay, I think that's enough water. I think he's had enough.
Okay.
You can never have enough water. You want some more?
He looks tired now.